Welcome to Wings of Fire Dreams. Today, we are going to see the most expected questions from the topic Union, State, and Union Territory. First question: the number of Union territories in India is Option A 5, Option B 7, Option C 8, Option D 9. Answer Option C 8. Second question: among the following states, which one was formed last? Option A Andhra Pradesh, Option B Gujarat, Option C Karnataka, Option D Punjab. Answer Option C Karnataka. Third question: Sikkim was made an integral part of India under the Act. Option A 36th Amendment, Option B 39th Amendment, Option C 40th Amendment, Option D 42nd Amendment. Answer Option A 36th Amendment. Fourth question: which of the following is not a union territory? Option A Goa, Option B Lakshadweep, Option C Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Option D Chandigarh. Answer Option A Goa. Fifth question: the Indian Constitution describes India as a union of states in Article. Option A Article 16, Option B Article 20, Option C Article 27, Option D Article 1. Answer Option D Article 1. Sixth question: in which year was the state of Jharkhand formed? Option A 1998, Option B 1999, Option C 2000, Option D 2001. Answer Option C 2000. Seventh question: the Master Plan of National Capital Region NCR was approved in Option A 1959, Option B 1960, Option C 1981, Option D 1996. Answer Option B 1962. Eighth question: the power to carve out a new state is vested in Option A Parliament, Option B the President, Option C the Council of Ministers, Option D States Reorganization Commission. Answer Option A the Parliament. Ninth question: Article 1 of the Constitution of India declares India as Option A Federal State, Option B Quasi-Federal State, Option C Union State, Option D Union of State. Answer Option D Union of State. 10th question: which of the following states is a member of the Seven Sisters? Option A West Bengal, Option B Tripura, Option C Orissa, Option D Bihar. Answer Option B Tripura. 11th question: which one of the following is the first state to have been formed on linguistic basis? Option A Andhra Pradesh, Option B Gujarat, Option C. Karnataka. Option D. Punjab. Answer. Option A. Gujarat. 12th question. Uttarakhand state came into existence on Option A. November 1, 2000. Option B. November 9, 2000. Option C. November 10, 2001. Option D. January 1, 2008. Answer. Option B. November 9, 2000. 13th question. By which one of the following constitutional amendments Delhi has become National Capital Region? Option A. 61st Amendment. Option B. 69th Amendment. Option C. 71st Amendment. Option D. 79th Amendment. Answer. Option B. 69th Amendment. 14th question. One of the following is not a union territory. Option A. Tripura. Option B. Daman and Diu. Option C. Lakshadweep. Option D. Puducherry. Answer. Option A. Tripura. 15th question. Andhra Pradesh was created as a linguistic state in Option A. 1950. Option B. 1953. Option C. 1956. Option D. 1961. Answer. Option B. 1953. 16th question. How does the Constitution of India describe India as? Option A. Federation of States and Union Territories. Option B. A Union of States. Option C. Bharatvarsh. Option D. A Federated Nation. Answer. Option A. Union of States. 17th question. Which commission made the recommendations which formed the basis for the Punjab Reorganisation Act, which created the states Punjab and Haryana? Option A. Dar Commission. Option B. Das Commission. Option C. Shar Commission. Option D. Mahajan Commission. Answer. Option C. Shar Commission. 18th question. The state of the Indian Union can be reorganized or their boundaries altered by Option A. Executive order of the Union Government with the consent of the concerned state government. Option B. The Union Parliament by a simple majority in the ordinary process of legislation. Option C. Two-thirds majority of both houses of the Parliament. Option D. Two-thirds majority of both houses of the Parliament and the consent of the concerned state legislature. Answer. Option B. The Union Parliament by a simple majority in the ordinary process of legislation. 19th question. Which one of the following is the correct chronological order of the formation of the following states as full state of the Indian Union? Option A. Nagaland, Haryana, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh. Option B. Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Haryana. Option C. Sikkim, Haryana, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. Option D. Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Haryana. Answer. Option B. Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Haryana. 20th question. Boundary of a state in India can be altered through the procedure laid down in the article? Option A 368, option B 130, option C 70, option D 3. Answer option D 3. If you like our videos, please press the like icon, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.